Hi, my name's Tom. I'm a little skeptical of this new RoundUp for Lawns, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. I'm going to flag a couple dandelions in my lawn, go ahead and shoot it with RoundUp for Lawn, come back a day later and kind of see what happens. And I'll follow it through the week to see if the dandelions really are gone where I shot the RoundUp, or if it actually killed the grass as well as the dandelions and everything else around it. So here's my test patch. I have set up 6 flags. They're old utility flags I was using. I have 3 red flags for the dandelions I'm going to hit with the RoundUp, and I have 3 yellow flags for the dandelions I'm not going to hit with the RoundUp. And we will use this as a test case. So what I'm going to do is you'll see me walk over, and I'll spray the 3 plants, and then we'll see what happens. I'll skip this one, but I will hit this one. This one, but I will hit this one. Skip this one, but I'll hit this one. Okay, that's all there is to it. Okay, here we are 3 days later now, and sure enough, all of the sprayed plants are pretty much dead. The unsprayed plants are still alive. So I would call this a success, especially since none of the grass around the weeds has actually turned brown or died, any more than it normally is in late April. So RoundUp for Lawns works on a lot of things. So here's a dead dandelion right here, but we also went ahead, or I gave it a shot on some chickweed. Chickweed's this tall, usually dark green grass with red tips. I spray right in the center of all these, and they kind of spread out over a lawn if you're not careful. But when you spray these things, within a day or two, they don't fall down, so they still stick up, but they do turn white, and basically they kills them off. So it does work on chickweed, works on most weeds that are going to have a root system. So as you can see, this RoundUp for Lawns actually works pretty well. It doesn't kill the grass around it, but when you spray it, it does kill the dandelions, and it does kill chickweed and a bunch of other broadleaf weeds. So it's a chemical, and it's dangerous, but it works. It kills things. There you have it. One of the drawbacks to this stuff is for this 1.3 gallon container, it's like $25, so it's not exactly cheap. If you want to save yourself some money, get a weed puller or a weed fork, go outside and just kind of chip away at the weeds, pull them out and throw them away. But if you want to save your back and want to kind of run around the yard and kill things off with a spray gun, it only took me about a half hour, 40 minutes to kind of cover my half-acre yard. That's the way to go as well. So good luck with this stuff. You'll find it at Home Depot or Lowe's or any other big box store. And as the season goes on, it probably will get a little bit cheaper.